The Road to Round in Malaysia 2025.
Actually, nanggaling kami sa AUS last few weeks ago. So, kasama namin yung mga ibang peoples like Horizon, Kaya, and yung iba. And sobrang nakaka-enjoy lang kasi parang parang kulat na siya in a way. Pero hindi. Ano lang, parang nag-share lang kami sa stage. And yun, though nakapagod. Kailangan natin lumaban para sa nabukasan.
Sa tingin ko, yung fitting ng Sir Jobert Cristobal, for me, parang mga highlight. And syempre, isa talaga yung sa key preparations namin going to Malaysia kasi yung susuotin namin. And very thankful kami for Sir Jobert for equipping us and giving us yung mga sobrang gandang pieces na susuotin namin to represent Philippines. Abangan nyo guys, sobrang ganda and sobrang excited na rin kami suotin and i-perform yung pyesa namin and together with the Jobert Cristobal outfit. So, abangan nyo guys, sobrang ganda, sobrang excited din kami.
One of one? One of one? Go beyond, we are first. One. Hello, for one. I for one. So we're here tonight sa atelier of Sir Jobert Cristobal, who has been given the difficult task na of course design ng aming wardrobe for the 2025 ASEAN Korea Round Music Festival in Malaysia.
Yeah, so ano pa nga ba? Sobrang excited na kami guys i-fit ang aming wardrobe.
Kaya tara na, huwag na tayo magpa-tupik-tupik pa. Tara, punta na tayo doon.
Okay.
Actually, meron po kaming sinisingit na 2 recording sessions. Actually, 3 pala. 3 recording sessions. Yung isa doon, sa sobrang hectic ng sked, nag-split na yung team into 2. So yung isa, pumunta sa music making session for Round Festival in Malaysia. Yung concert mix mastering. And then yung isa naman, may ni-record for, it's an upcoming song entitled But anyway, makikita niyo yung song live na live for the first time. Tomorrow, 23 na lalabas. So it's gonna come out tomorrow. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's the first time that we're gonna perform it and hope you guys like it. Pero may sabihin kami before we do. And then yung last na recording session, it's actually for the EP. So syempre, anong buwan na ba? June, May na actually. So pa-June na. So, nahanda na rin natin yung EP natin. And yung title track kasi is entitled So, yun. So, abangan niyo yung EP, abangan niyo yung song tomorrow, and then, of course, yung performance namin sa Round Festival. Pero guys, without kidding aside, sa sobrang taas nung ganang tubig yung gusto ko inumin, no? Pakita mo nga, Jay. Yan, oh, yan. Ganyan karaming tubig, guys. In comparison, siyempre, bawal pakita yung brand.
Bukod sa Bounty Round, nagkaroon din kami ng guesting sa Bingo Plus. That's called BP Showcase. Actually, sabi ng Bingo Plus is kami daw yung unang guest nila sa BP Showcase. Kaya sobrang thankful kami. And at the same time, nakakatawa kasi yung costume namin doon. Kapareho ng Bingo Plus colors. So parang tutuwa sila kasi parang na-represent din namin yung Bingo Plus ng maayos. And sobrang sarap mag-perform doon kasi sobrang gaan ng mga tao doon. Hindi sila nagmamadali, hindi sila nagpapataranta. Kumaga walang intimidating factor. So masaya lang talaga, magaan, kulitan lang, tawanan lang. So sobrang solid ng Bingo Plus na yun. Yeah, Bingo Plus. Sheesh.
So guys, as you can see, nagre-rehearse kami ngayon sa aming new dance studio, pero it's in the works pa. Pero very nostalgic yung feels. Alam mo kung bakit? Bakit? Alam mo ng mga times na trainees pa lang tayo, may Economicus crew, may AC, may A-team. Yung mga nagre-rehearse sa gilid ng Rizal Park. So yun, naalala ko lang yung mga times na. Oo, nagre-rehearse sa Luneta, sa sides. Kasi basta sa street. Yeah, sa streets talaga guys. As in literal, no mirrors, no studio space. No aircon. No aircon. Tapos gabing-gabi. Yes. Yeah. Tapos may nabubusina. Pero yun, very nostalgic yung feels guys.
passion.
Pero alam nyo, fruit of passion. Yeah. Alam nyo guys, diba? Ang ganda ng blessing ni Lord. Pero remain humble and keep. Sabi nga, maybe enjoy. Parang ano siya, it's a great pressure na very welcome. Well, at the same time, nakakakaba kasi, ay! Guys, sorry. So nakakakaba, pero very welcome siya. Kasi yun, for the fans siya eh. So kung wala naman yung 4-1, kung wala yung fans, wala namang first one. So, wala, ina-enjoy lang namin. This is who we are. And parang alam mo yun, parang with every blessing comes a responsibility. So, we're just really owning up to it. And hopefully, makarry namin yung responsibility, yung cross na binigay sa amin for everyone to be happy at the end of the day. And yeah, nakakakaba, no matter how busy, but it's part of life and it's all good.
Yo, vibe! Mapet! What? Okay. Mapet! Try nga eh. Grabe naman kayo.